How to remove your TV's tabletop stand. When detaching the tabletop stand, 3 or more people are required to lift the TV and detach the stand. Avoid excessive force to prevent TV falls and injuries. Handle removal of the tabletop stand with care to prevent damage and fall. Be cautious when lifting the TV to prevent toppling and injury. You can use the timestamps here to jump directly to how to identify your TV's model name, as well as how to remove the tabletop stands for different models. To identify your TV's model number. From the home screen, navigate to your apps bar, then scroll all the way to the right and select See All. In the Your Apps page, select the Help button. Look for your TV's model number at the bottom left of the screen. Depending on your TV's model number, you can skip to the timing that matches your model. You will need a flathead screwdriver to detach the stand. Please tape the tip of the screwdriver to prevent scratching the TV. For 43 to 50-inch TVs, place the TV with the LCD screen side down on a flat surface covered with a soft cloth. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the stand insertion slot. Use the screwdriver to push out the stand a little from the insertion slot, and then pull the stand out. For the larger TV models, you will require 3 or more people to detach the table stand. Lift one side of the TV. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the stand insertion slot. Use the screwdriver to push out the stand a little from the insertion slot, and then pull the stand out. For these models, you will need a screwdriver to detach the stand. Place the TV facing down on a level surface covered with a thick and soft cloth. Remove the screws that hold the tabletop stand to the TV and detach the stand from the TV. Repeat the same process for the other side. For all other models, please visit our Sony support website and search for your TV's model name. As you key in your TV model name, you can select the model name when it appears, then click on Search. Click on the TV model name when it appears and then click on the Manuals tab. Scroll down to Wall Mount Brackets and open the document. Look for the instructions to detach the tabletop stands from your TV. You may visit our Sony support website for more support content, or receive firmware update notifications via our Support by Sony app by scanning these QR codes above with your mobile device. Thank you for watching.